Our first one is when we come up to a junction and we see a car flash, what we have to do is make sure that it's actually for us, because the car on the right could be flashing the car on our left that he's okay to come through. Perhaps he's just annoyed that he has come through, so he's flashing, but we're at the junction thinking, oh great, he's giving way to me. Well, that doesn't mean that that's true. In our bottom picture, we can see that the car may be flashing the red car that's pulled out in front of him. Perhaps he's annoyed. Perhaps the green car is flashing the cyclist because he knows him. But again, the danger for your learners is they just see the car flash, presume it's for them, and then try and pull out.